Hello everyone, I am Piyush Gautam of class 9th. Today I tell you about the CPU. Central Processing Unit, also called as microprocessor, is like the brain of the computer. It determines how fast your computer will run. It carries out all calculations, takes decisions, and controls the working of all components of a computer. Its data processing speed is measured in megahertz or gigahertz. The CPU reads each instruction from memory in a logically determined sequence and uses it to initiate processing actions. Mainly, CPU consists of two subunits, which are one is control unit and other is arithmetic logical unit. Now we learn about these two subunits. Firstly, we learn about ALU. The ALU performs all the arithmetic and logical functions like additions, subtractions, multiplications, divisions, and certain comparisons. These comparisons include greater than, less than, equal to, etc. The ALU controls the speed of the calculations. Now we learn about the control unit. Basically, CPU is responsible for directing and coordinating most of the computer system activities. The CPU does not execute instructions by itself. It directs the other parts of the computer system what to do. It determines the movement of electronic signals between the main memory and the arithmetic logical unit, as well as the control signals between the CPU and the input-output devices. Now, we learn about the working of CPU by the block diagram of a computer. So, when we input any data, firstly it transferred to the primary storage. We call primary storage also as the main memory. So, from the main memory, it's sent to the ALU. After the coming in the ALU, the data is processing by the ALU under the supervision of control unit. After the data is processed, it's sent again to the primary storage. So if we save the data, it's sent to the secondary storage. Otherwise, we get the result from the output unit. So this is my activity.